welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Style My Way Usha and my name is Usha. I had shared with you my huge Amazon and Myntra home decor haul in the previous video, and today's video is all about the makeover which I did in my living room. I am going to share that video with you later on, but first I want to share with you a DIY, and I am going to put the video of how I made it. So this is a tray which I made. I recycled a wooden cutting board which I had. It was a very old one and I had just kept it. It was lying around, and then suddenly one day I got an idea that I have to do something with this. So I recycled it and I made it into a tray. You can still see there is this opening, and if you want to close this, maybe you can use clay or M-seal or something like that. I have left it because I don't think it looks bad. So this is how it is, and I used a CD. I cut the CD into half, as you can see, and I have stuck it on both sides to make it like a tray. And I'm using this on my coffee table to keep coasters. You can even put mugs, coffee mugs, or tea cups or anything you want on this, so that the table won't get dirty, because I have got a white table runner, as you have seen in my previous video if you have watched it. If you haven't, so please go back and watch that video too. So this is how it is. It has turned out very good. I wanted to give it some tropical vibes. I really love this coat, like good vibes only. I have always loved this coat, so I wanted to include it somewhere in my living room, and this was such a great idea. Now my coffee table looks very nice. So I have taken this wooden cutting board, as you can see, and I have cut the CD into half, and I'm using a glue gun to stick the CDs on both sides of the wooden board. So after sticking them, I checked whether it is strong enough. Then I used black paint, acrylic paint, and painted the whole wooden board with black paint. So I have downloaded this image on my phone, which I really liked, and I'm using chalk to draw the image on the board. I'm using chalk because it is easy to clean off. Once the paint dries off, you can just use a wet fabric and rub on it, and it gets cleaned up. So now I'm going to paint the leaves using dark Viridian green in the acrylic paints. So I'm using a flat brush. You can use any brush which you are comfortable with. Then I have also used yellow color so that I can mix it with green and make it like a light brighter green, which gives a nice effect. As you can see, I'm going to paint it now. So I'm showing you the before and after of my living room so that you can compare and you can see how it brightens up the room after the makeover. Now I am untangling the cables and I didn't have the twisties, the wires which you get to twist around, so I used a white thread and tied them up separately. That was the first thing which I did. So now I'm going to put the jute rug which I had ordered from Amazon, and I'm going to arrange the hall. I couldn't do the whole thing in one day, so it's like in parts. It's done in 2-3 days. The first day was very exciting. I did a lot of work on the first day, but then I got tired, so I had to postpone it for the second day too. So now I am going to put the photo frames which I had got. The makeover would not be complete without showing you one of my favorite items in my living room. It is this handmade lamp. It is all hand painted. It's so beautiful. It's a Radha Krishna lamp. I really love this one. It is from Shilpa Ramam in Hyderabad, which is a like Dilli Haat in Delhi, where you get all the handloom stuff. And now this is my dining room. It is also a part of my living room.